Hello kids. Today we are going to learn alphabet A to Z. A. A for apple. A-P-P-L-E. Apple. B. B for ball. B-A-L-L. Ball. C. C for cat. C-A-T. Cat. D. D for dog. D-O-G. Dog. E. E for elephant. E-L-E-P-H-A-N-T. Elephant. F. F for fish. F-I-S-H. Fish. G. G for goat. G-O-A-T. Goat. H. H for hat. H-A-T. Hat. I. I for ice cream. I-C-E-C-R-E-A-M. Ice cream. J. For jellyfish. J-E-L-L-Y. F-I-S-H. Jellyfish. K. K for kite. K-I-T-E. Kite. L. L for line. L-I-O-N. Line. M. M for monkey. M-O-N-K-E-Y. Monkey. N. N for nest. N-E-S-T. Nest. O. O for orange. O-R-A-N-G-E. Orange. P. P for parrot. P-A-R-R-O-T. Parrot. Q. Q for queen. Q-U-E-E-N. Queen. R. R for rainbow. R-A-I-N-B-O-W. Rainbow. S. S for sun. S-U-N. Sun. T. T for train. T-R-A-I-N. Train. U. U for umbrella. U-M-B-R-E-L-L-A. Umbrella. V. V for violin. V-I-O-L-I-N. Violin. W. W for whale. W-H-A-L-E, whale. X for xylophone. X-Y-L-O-P-H-O-N-E, xylophone. Y for yacht. Y-A-C-H-T, yacht. Z for zebra. Z-E-B-R-A, zebra.